This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting access. Sign into Windows with the Microsoft account tied to your Xbox profile because the app syncs achievements and purchases. Once signed in, open the Microsoft Store to confirm the Xbox app is installed and updated. This prevents launch errors. Make sure background apps and microphone/camera permissions are allowed for the Xbox app, which enables chat and game streaming. These first steps remove common roadblocks and get you ready to connect to games and cloud services right away. Next, install or update Xbox Game Pass and the Xbox app. These provide the library and cloud streaming. Once installed, plug in or pair your Xbox controller. Press the sync button and pair through Bluetooth settings if wireless. Make sure controller drivers update automatically. That avoids input lag. Then enable Game Bar and Game Mode in settings to optimize performance and record clips. Finally, set your preferred storage location for games so large installs go where you have space. Now launch a game from the Xbox app or choose Cloud Play to stream from Microsoft servers. Streaming reduces local install needs. If you stream, use a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and close bandwidth-heavy apps to lower latency and prevent stutters. If a game won't start, restart the Xbox app in Windows, update GPU and controller drivers, and run the built-in network troubleshooter. If problems persist, reset Xbox networking in settings. This clears cached configs and often fixes connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.